Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a tool review of my new air compressor, the Limodot LJ2100 ultra quiet air compressor. I needed, or should I say I wanted, a new air compressor because I was sick of listening to this. Oh my God. Compare that to this. This is my first ultra quiet air compressor, and I can't believe it took me this long to buy one. It has an advertised 60 decibel noise rating, 2-gallon tank, 1 horsepower motor with a 1/4 inch NPT quick coupler. Its max pressure rating is 120 psi with 2.5 CFM at 90 psi. The most impressive feature is an advertised 14-second refresh rate, which is actually 17 seconds for the unit I have sitting here. That was one of the most annoying characteristics of the pancake compressor. Not only was it loud, but it would run for an entire minute like that before shutting off. In addition to this, because it's such a small tank, it takes less than a minute for this to fill up during initial startup. I chose this brand because of the cost, advertised performance, and every once in a while I like to go against the grain and buy and use what everyone else isn't. The number one reason for purchasing this was the noise. In recent years, the size of my shop has been slowly downsizing as circumstances change, and being able to have a quiet compressor is a huge quality of life change for me in such a small space. I can actually have the TV on, carry on a conversation, or listen to the radio and barely notice when it cycles on. And when I do notice, it's only on for a few seconds. It has plenty of power to run all of the smaller, most frequently used nail guns, blow stuff off, air up tires, and even run my angle die grinder for brief cleanup tasks. And due to its light 35-pound weight, I can take it anywhere I need to go quickly and conveniently, as well as fit it into the smallest of spaces in the shop. It's got a 6-foot long power cable, and because of its small amperage draw of 7, I can easily run it along with other tools on a 20-amp circuit. I don't know why I suffered for so long without one. I guess I just rationalized every time I used the old one that it was okay for the brief time I was using it, and that maybe next time I would upgrade. Well, not anymore. This has become my go-to compressor in the shop. I'm going to throw the old one up in the attic storage in case I need it, and start enjoying the quiet and peace of mind in the shop while using this one. Right now you can pick these up on Amazon for about 150 bucks, a little cheaper than that when they have the automatic discount. So not only is it a great performing and quiet compressor, it's also very cost effective as well. If you've got any questions on anything I didn't cover, please leave them down below and I will answer them as I can. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, I'll see you soon.